Hi, this is Holly Olson, and this is my product index information pages that I need for this part of the lesson. This is combined lesson 5 and 6. I have my project model PHP, which is my products module, and it has the two functions in it that I need, and they work. This is my index page, my project controller. It has everything that I'm required to have in it, plus the nav list and the cat list, and then all my switch items. It has my category PHP, my product PHP, and my product management PHP, where you can see I have the correct PHP links to the category and product page, and then my Acme CSS. Now I wanted to show you here first. This is my products management PHP. I always get the error with the Google fonts, and I always get the error with the PHP syntax things. I also got an error for two of them about putting my ahref first before the link, but that's what I needed to do, so it's what I did. And then another error for the PHP. And then here is my here is my products page. I checked it. It didn't like the fonts or the PHP connectors. Here's my categories page. And the same with that, the font and the PHP. But I got exactly no errors on my CSS, so that's amazing. Now we're going to go here to my local host at acme/products/index.php. And here you can see I have an active working nav bar. I'll click on Add New Product, and it takes me to the Add New Product page. What would you like to add? Type the new category below. Well, first let's see what happens when you don't put anything in. Please provide information for all empty fields. Okay, so I'll do that. I will add a saw, and I'll submit it. I don't know why that happened, but I've been working on it. It puts it here. We'll put this and push continue. There you go. There's the saw. Now we'll go back a page, and as you see, the saw is still there, and we'll add a new product. I think we should add something in traps. I've messed around with this a little bit, as you could tell. It's called Suck You In. The description, it's a black hole. There's no image for it. No thumbnail. It costs $1,234.00. I found it wouldn't put the price in there unless I had the decimal point. The availability is there are only 15 of those. The product size is huge. The weight is 0 pounds because its location is in outer space, and everything out there weighs nothing because there's no gravity. The company, the vendor is the black. The product material is they don't know. And I will add it. Oh, it says, thanks for adding Suck You In. We will all enjoy it. But now let's see what happens when I don't add anything. Please provide information for all empty fields. Oh, and I did before, so there's none there. But now let's go here, because up here, as you can see, saw's up there now. Let's go here and push refresh, and saw ends up in our list here. And then if we go to inventory, we go all the way to the bottom. I had added the succulent already just a little while ago in practicing for this video, so it's actually in here twice because it was added before and then just when I added it now. But it has all the information that you need in it right here. Okay, I enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye.